The camshaft at hand is for 1AR Toyota Venza engine. So the old one has worn out. It makes a knocking sound for a few seconds after starting the engine. Its oil takes time to supply into it. So this made the camshaft to worn out even after buying the correct oil to the car. So we are replacing it. The recommended oil for this particular engine is 5W30 fully synthetic oil. But some people put any oil or allow their own service interval to be more than as specified. These are the sort of things that make the crankshaft to go wrong.